The Abel equipment brick grab, designed and manufactured in South Africa, has evolved over the past 18 years and has subsequently become the preferred brick grab in Southern Africa. The unique and patented sliding leg system ensures the closest parallel to stack clamping compared to any other brick grab available in the market. It also ensures that the stack packing is the closest possible when it is either packed on the load bed of a truck or when it is packed in the yard for curing using the forklift type brick grab. The crane type cradle and forklift type cradle are interchangeable and can be done easily. The leg height can also be ordered from 0.9 to 1.3 meters depending on the client's requirement. The bolt-on foot feature also makes that the clamping rubbers can also be ordered to suit the application. The range can be from 1.1 to 1.3 meters in 100mm increments.